This is a very short demo for London City Airport showing ProgrammExpress, the web-based portfolio program and project reporting solution, and specifically showing our latest version 15.1. So we're going to log on as an administrator, and that is going to take us into our new home screen. And with version 15.1, we can now do corporate color palettes and logo, and this takes us into a screen where we can see all the projects as an administrator, and we can see all the modules within ProgrammExpress now shown as icons, better described showing by the update tab of commentary, plan, resources, cost, benefits, impacts, risks and logs. The benefit of 15.1 is we can filter out certain modules view now. Within the home screen, what we can do is a lot of things. We can look at the health and status of data within specific projects, and we can run reports from this screen. This is quite a busy screen from an administrator perspective who needs to see all the projects and needs to see all the data within all the modules and the reports that are available to run, plus more tabs in terms of settings and administrator configuration tabs. The idea of ProgrammExpress is simple data input and powerful output. And what we can now do is we can now filter the modules by roles to make the interface look even simpler for the project manager. So I'm quickly going to show if we were a project manager that's been given access access to only 3 projects and only 3 modules that they're expected to update. You'll see it's the same home screen, same database, but a different, simpler view. So for the project manager, quite simply, they know what projects they've got to update. They can select one of them. They know what modules they need to update. That's the commentary. Click on the square, update the commentary of overall achieved last period, focus for next period, or whatever commentary threads have been configured. We can then follow the updates tab and go into plan. Have a look at the plan and we can make the amendments required. And again, from the update tab, we can go to risks and amend the risk register. So once the project manager or user has done that, what they may want to do is they may want to have a look at reports. In this case, the project manager will probably want to run a report that they have set up themselves in My Reports, as opposed to the shared reports, which have been shared with them probably by the PMO or the central projects team. So they've made their update. They want to have a look at what that data looks like on a report. We'll run a 1-page summary, which is PowerPoint compliant. We'll see here the project, the RAG status, the milestones by timeline, financial information, and the commentary threads that have been configured for this report. They can see what they have. They can see the reports showing their latest data updates. Back to being an administrator. Assuming the project managers have simple updates, the administrator again back into the same screen, the home screen. They may now want to interrogate the project status and probably look at the reds or the ambers. And what we can do from this screen is we can start to filter out green, and we can, if we want, filter out amber, and there we can see where the problem areas are within the portfolio. So one example, project 1C, I can see the costs are red. I can click on, drill down and see that the forecast cost exceeds the planned cost and therefore shows a RAG status of red. With the administrator, what they'll probably want to do is run portfolio or program reports, because there the benefit from ProgrammExpress is simple data input, powerful, consolidated, aggregated data outputs. So from here, from the project's portfolio level, what we want to do. Let's show in this case, run a shared report that has been set up, reg status summary, Excel style report, or show a Gantt chart report. All the plans for all the projects using the red, amber, green theme for the taskbars. Same data but different report style. This is a timeline report showing all the projects, the key milestones, and again showing the red, amber, green status and their expected delivery days. Or maybe we want to run a resource usage summary. All resources allocated in a line via the plan, showing all our resources, what projects they're working on, the number of days in a period, aggregated up to a top level, showing where we have over allocation of resources potentially, and showing that as a monthly period, but you could change that to a weekly period. This is a very quick view of ProgrammExpress, our latest version 15.1, showing that a lot of things can be done from the home screen. That we use corporate palettes now with the logo, which can be changed. This is just an example for a lot more functionality in terms of document management, dashboards, different types of settings, but this is just a very short demo. So thank you very much for watching.